The second way is going to be my most favorite. Thank you, Angela. Is using done for you content. Done for you content. If you're using done for you content, it would take you between 3 to 5 hours to create your course. Now, done for you content is content that has already been created for you. That is what I provide inside the Coaching Business Simplified. So if you're not a Coaching Business Simplified member and you want to check out some of the done for you bundles, then go to alisemichelle.com/7 for 30. But inside of the Coaching Business Simplified, I give you all the content that you need. I include the slides already done for you. Now they're not already branded, so you can just put your own brand colors on there. Okay. And I also include the worksheets for you. Yes. And I also include some more stuff. So if you need the content for your course, then you definitely want to be a club member. So go to alisemichelle.com/7430. Rosa, if you're still on, can you go ahead and put that inside of the comment area? Uh, Arnetta says, yes, done for you is everything. Yes. Okay. So, because I want to pop my picture back up here. Okay. So, with the slides already created for you and the worksheets already created for you, all you have to do is record yourself because everything else is done. Just record yourself. Okay. Stephanie says, yes, everything is done. Yes, it is. Okay. The next thing is that you can transcribe your video. So once you've recorded yourself, you can transcribe your video with a service called Temi, TEMI.com. Did I say TEMI.com? Temi allows you to transcribe your video. Once you've uploaded your video, you can upload the video into Temi. If you have it on YouTube, you can share the link to your YouTube video and it would transcribe your video. I think it's like 25 cents a minute. And the transcription is phenomenal. It is absolutely phenomenal. So you can go to Temi and have your transcripts already done. Stephanie says you can create podcast episodes. Yes. You can also have a bonus content to include with your course, which means more value, which means you can charge more. And inside of the Coaching Business Simplified Done For You bundles, you have bonus content that you can use and include in your course. This month I did a ebook, so you could include an ebook already beautifully designed for you. All you got to do is put your picture inside and put your name on it and claim it as yours. You have the right. So when you become a member, you get all the rights to use the content any way you want to. Okay. And then you also get support marketing materials. So one of the things that I know that people struggle with the most is how to sell their course and how to get it out there. Well, I include all the marketing material. I include the sales page to help you sell the course. I also include the graphics that you're going to use on social media to promote the course. So you get all of that when you become a club member or when you're using done for you content. And that cuts back on how long it will take you to create a course. 3 to 5 hours. Within 3 to 5 hours, you can have a course ready to sell. I'm going to pause on that because that's some powerful stuff. That means you can have a new course every single month. So if you are thinking about having a membership, you now have a course that you can put in your membership every single month with supporting material. Y'all, that is a game changer to our business. And it is the secret that most coaches do not share with you. Like when my when my mentor found out that I was going to offer this as a service, he was like, "Are you crazy? Like that's a secret. Like that's an industry secret and you're going to share this with other people." Like, "Yeah, I am." One of the things as a college professor, and I was also the lead faculty member, meaning that I would train other new faculty members that came in. And I knew as a new faculty member that one of the frustration was having content, having your lesson already prepared. Cause so can you imagine as a new faculty member, you're coming in to teach a class for the first time and you got to create all new content? It will stress you out. So what I did, right? Most of all the other faculty members we shared our content with new faculty members. So whatever slides I had, whatever worksheets I had, whatever quizzes I had, all the lessons plans I had, I would give that to that new faculty member. And so that's how I saw creating the Coaching Business Simplified and creating Done For You bundles as the same way. I want to set you up for success, just like I wanted to set that member up for success so that they will not be stressed and overwhelmed, so that they can shine in the classroom and do their best work without worrying about all the other supporting materials that they needed to have for their class.